Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be giving you full box spoilers for the Charlotte Tilbury Advent Calendar for 2021, as well as comparing it to last year's, because I did do the full box spoilers last year on the Advent Calendar and I thought it was actually pretty good, but now that we're comparing it to this year's, I'm very much disappointed. Like, her mystery boxes rock my socks off, but so far the advent calendars seem to be not as good, especially for the value of money that you're spending. The mystery boxes are a way better value in my opinion than the advent calendars, just based off of the mystery boxes that I've received, how much I've paid for them, and then now what the advent calendars are, because these are $200. Mystery boxes, you get all full-size products, and the mystery box is $200. You get, of course, 12 days, but it's just not worth it for like the mini sizes versus, like, you know, the 3 full sizes you get in here. So you get 3 full size products and you get 9 mini size samples, and it's just not worth it for $200, like, honestly. So yeah, if you guys are into these types of videos from me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're already watching this video, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would warm my heart, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so this actually launched a few days ago, and it was like during like a 48-hour pre-order or something like that, or like you can buy it 48 hours in advance. And so I was thinking about buying the advent calendar because I really wanted to, and also her brand new holiday palette, which I did buy. That one was $75 and it'll be here tomorrow, and I can't wait to play and review that. Also, if you're wondering what's on my eyes right now, I am wearing the Cinnamon Swirl palette. I did 5 looks, 1 palette. That video will be linked below when it's ready. Very good palette. Definitely go check out that video. But yeah, $200, 9 minis and 3 full sizes. So if you got last year's advent calendar, you're gonna be hearing a lot of repeats, like a lot of repeats. And then after I tell you everything that's coming in this one for 2021, I'll compare it to 2020. So the very first thing you get is a full size product, the Hollywood Beauty Light Wand in Spotlight. My dreamy rose gold highlighter inspired by the digitally remastered tricks of Hollywood and the flawless filters of social media, the secret to a lit from within glow. I actually already have this, and this was another reason why I decided not to purchase, because I have just about every single item already that's coming in the advent calendar, so I didn't need to purchase. So I have this. Let me swatch it for you guys. I'm only going to post images if I don't have the product, but this is actually beautiful, and I use this very often. It gives a very nice wet effect, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. So this is definitely something that I know you guys will love. I actually got this in a Sephora's Favorites last year, and this was basically like a free product. So yeah, I feel like that's just something. I mean, highlighters are very cheap and easy to make, so that's probably why this full size is always like included in all kinds of favorites and stuff. But yeah, next item is a full size Color Chameleon in Pillow Talk, my easy to use eyeshadow pencil to light up your eyes in a new dreamy shade. This sparkling pink cream eyeshadow pencil is my newest Pillow Talk makeup secret. This is just going to be like a really kind of awful quality photo that I'm posting, because it's just like a screen grab from the advent calendar. But yeah, that's what it is. I don't know what color it is. It's brand new. Obviously there's no swatches of it, and you can't find it on the website. But another thing I want to critique is, why is this advent calendar basically the exact same as last year's, and the items in it are the same just about, and then the only other difference with the advent calendar is the little knobs are different. It's like stars this year, as last year it was just like round knobs. But like, don't get me wrong, it's beautiful, and I really did want to purchase it just because I wanted to like display the box back there and like store stuff in it. But it's the same advent calendar. 2019 was completely different, and I don't know why 2020 and 2021 have to be the exact same, but just my critique there. And then we have the last full-size product coming in here, which is the Matte Revolution Lipstick in Pillow Talk Medium. Now, I don't own Pillow Talk Medium, but I own Pillow Talk. And the medium one is just a little too dark for my liking. So that's why I was like, oh, well, I mean, I could have this other lipstick, but I just wouldn't wear it as much because I just feel like it's a little too dark for what I would actually like to wear. So I was like, okay, never mind. But it says my magical mid-toned Pillow Talk lipstick in my award-winning Matte Revolution formula. This universally flattering shade is the secret to a warm berry pink pout. So now we're going to get on to the mini sizes or travel sizes. And then we have the Multi Miracle Glow. My 3-in-1 beauty balm is the secret to fresh, youthful looking, baby soft feeling skin. Use as a cleansing balm to wash away the day, a magic mask for an overnight facial finish, or an SOS face and body balm for an instant moisture boost. So we have the Goddess Skin Clay Mask, the Ultimate Red Carpet Essential. This glow-giving clay mask will give you gorgeous looking skin. I send this to all of my celebrity clients before a red carpet event. Now, just so you know, these sample sizes are going to be relatively small. If you want to know what these sample sizes are actually going to look like, I will insert some photos from like other videos so I can just show you like a size, like whatever the size is, but it's very, very small. It's not that big, and that's why I'm like, okay, for everything else coming in this advent calendar, it's not worth the money because you're not really getting a lot of product. Of course, you're getting to try everything out from her line, but it's really not worth it for the price, like at all. Not even to try as like a sample, like a travel size, like no. So now we have the Charlotte's Magic Serum Crystal Elixir, a travel size bottle of my high performance serum. The research powered formula features a magic matrix of ingredients, including a groundbreaking Replexium plus results driven skincare ingredients, golden vitamin C for a brighter looking complexion, and hydration powerhouse polyglutamic acid. So again, this is going to be a very small little size, not really worth it in my opinion. Then we have Charlotte's Magic Cream Moisturizer, my award-winning celebrity loved moisturizer to give you hydrated, dewy looking skin in an instant with a matrix of magic ingredients that intensely moisturizes the complexion. I have to say, this is actually a really good product. This one here that I have is one that I got in a mystery box. It's only 30 milliliters, and then in Ipsy I got 50. So this is what it looks like. This is actually really, really, really good. I love this stuff. I would say, hey, buy it in the full size. It works so well for me. So just wanted to mention that. And then we have the Wonder Glow Primer, Glow on the Go. This mini Wonder Glow is my must-have beauty secret, a glowing primer for a radiant, dewy looking complexion. I have something similar. I have the Brightening Youth Glow, Brightening Color Correcting Glow Primer. So this is going to be basically what you get, but in like obviously a sample size, and it's going to be like, you know, a different name, different product, but that's basically what that is. And then the next is the Walk of No Shame eyeliner, inspired by my iconic Matte Revolution lipstick in Walk of No Shame, and the same mesmerizing shade as my Matte Copper Charge eyeliner. This universally flattering berry eyeliner is perfect for adding instant definition to your empowering makeup look. I actually have this in a lipstick and the blush. It's very, very beautiful. Really, really like it. So we have the eyeliner, and then we have the Legendary Lashes Volume 2 Mascara, a super volumizing formula for the ultimate Hollywood flutter and a wide awake look. I have this right here. I also got this in one of her mystery boxes, and let me just tell you, these 3 products I got in mystery boxes, and I paid not a lot of money for compared to, like, you know, the advent calendar. Like I said, you get all full sizes, blah blah blah. Okay, yeah, so I have that. I've used it a few times. I wouldn't say it's the most voluptuous lashes, like, but then again, since I've been wearing false eyelashes for well over a year now, my lashes are in the best shape. So I feel like if my lashes were what they were a year and a half ago, it might show more volume, but my lashes are like, they're scarce, okay, and they're not as long as they used to be. So that's just my verdict on that. I can't really say if it's that good because my lashes kind of suck now. And then we have the Lip Cheat Lip Liner in Pillow Talk Medium, my Pout Dividing Berry Pink Lip Liner from my iconic, globally loved Pillow Talk collection to help reshape and resize the appearance of your lips. So I do like the fact that the lip liner is going to be the exact same as a lipstick, so you can use them both and they're not completely two different colors. Like, you know, you can use both at the same time and it'll be great. So I love that. And then we have the travel size Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Primes and sets makeup for up to 16 hours without melting, fading, or creasing. My secret to makeup that looks just applied all day. I also have this here. This is the like mini size. I don't know if this is going to be the same size you're going to get, but I got this in a Sephora's Favorites, which again, very much worth the money. Sephora's Favorites are where it's at, by the way. And that's everything that's coming in this calendar. So, yeah. Compared to last year's, the only differences are the lipstick and the lip liner came in Pillow Talk, the regular one, and then the eyeliner was in Barbella Brown. The Color Chameleon shadow stick was in a copper light color, and then they had a Supermodel Body Glow shimmer for you versus the Multi-Miracle Glow. So you basically have the exact same box minus a few shade differences, and two products are flip-flop. So inside of the Supermodel, you got the Miracle Glow. So, yeah. So basically, if you bought the advent calendar last year and you haven't used up all the product, or you just don't want to buy the exact same advent calendar basically as last year, then I would pass, especially if you already have like Pillow Talk and well, the medium Pillow Talk shades. And I mean, that's the only real difference in the eyeshadow stick. So it's definitely not in your best interest money wise. Yeah, that's it. I don't really know what else to say other than it's just not worth it, especially if you bought it last year. Just stay tuned for mystery boxes. I always post in my community tab. Those are way much more worth the price and you guys always love them. So yeah, that is it for this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you plan on picking this up? Do you think it's a waste of money? I know a lot of people thought it was a waste of money last year, but compared to last year and this year, it's definitely a waste of money this year. But yeah, thoughts and opinions down below. Stay tuned for my eyeshadow palette review, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!